Hello everyone, today let's unbox the sleeve plus lanyard for the Hero 9 slash Hero 10 Black over here. So we've got a Hero 10 Black over here. So let's unbox this, fit it on the Hero 10 Black and see what the benefits are of this lanyard plus sleeve. Alright folks, so the sleeve plus lanyard comes in this blue packaging, very simple. And let's just open this up. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Well, such a huge packaging for such a small product over here. There's nothing else in this. That's it. So what we have is this sleeve over here and a lanyard. So I can actually take this lanyard off if I want to. Is very hard to take it off anyways, and that's how it's supposed to be. Yep, okay, it can go off if I want to. If we have a look at the sleeve over here, this is GoPro branding in the front. There's an opening for the microphone in the front over here, and of course on top there's a small hole. Then there is this button over here, which is going to be pressing the record button on GoPro, and then the same thing over here, there's a power button which is going to press the power button. Let's try to push in the GoPro. It is really tight, and that's how it's supposed to be anyways, but you just push this thing in and there it fits properly and snugly on the GoPro. The best thing about this is now if you look closely over here, it does have this groove thing on top. So now I can actually place my GoPro like this or like this on the table, and I can be like pretty sure that my rear screen would not be scratched by the table surface. So that's one thing. Second thing is, while hiking, I can have this GoPro using this lanyard. I can just let's open this lanyard. This is quite large, as you can see. This is big, and if I put it around my neck, so you can see over here, this GoPro is around my neck over here, so pretty large. While hiking, I can just have it around my neck, do hiking or whatever I want to do, and then whenever I need my camera, it's right around my neck. I can take it out, click some pictures and leave it back on my neck. So that's like pretty handy, and I can just take it off easily. Another thing which I noticed over here is that if while hiking if while doing some activity, this GoPro is stuck on something, this will automatically snap open. It's not that simple, but yeah, it's just going to snap open and come off my neck. But it's not that easy to snap open, but yeah, it's not going to pull my neck for sure. So that's a safety parameter over here. Overall, I would say like it's nicely built, rubbery touch, and the look of your GoPro is in fact enhanced. You're not like getting some cheapy brand and putting your GoPro in there. It looks bad. This is fine. Your mount is totally workable with this, and everything looks absolutely nice to me. Would I recommend this, and is it actually useful? Now, because I've got the GoPro subscription, it costs me less. I think it cost me $20 for this strap plus this sleeve. So I think that's not bad. So having $400-500 camera and having scratches on that, I'll not want that. So like, this is actually an action camera. Over a period of time, it's gonna be bumped and hit across its edges or something, and it's going to get scratches. I would not want that. So definitely for me, this is worth $20. Is not such a big price to pay for the security and safety of your device. Now, is it going to save your device from shocks and like if you drop it somewhere? Absolutely not. But from minor scratches or anything, yes, it will. Now, those who know me, I do not like any scratches on my devices. My iPhones, all my devices that I have, everything would be absolutely scratchless. So definitely for me, this is nice. If you are a kind of a guy who want everything spick and span and you do not like scratches on any of your devices, then yes, this is nice. But if you're looking for something which is going to protect your camera while you are driving and it drops from a motorbike or from an adventure spot, now this is not going to do that. In that case, you would need probably Ulanzi's metal cage or something like that. This is just going to protect you from your camera from minor scratches. That's it. So that's all for this video, guys. This was a quick unboxing and my views, should you get it or not. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this device. I'll see you again in my next video. Ciao.